Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Malu community. Today we are going to look at how to exchange coins in PancakeSwap, how to add liquidity in PancakeSwap, how to farm tokens in PancakeSwap. The first thing is that we should have Smart Chain BNB in our wallet to pay the fee. We can go to the DApp section of Trust Wallet or any BSC supporting wallet. You can find the PancakeSwap in the DeFi section. Click on the PancakeSwap icon, select Smart Chain. Now you can see the exchange or swap page. There we can see we can put two pairs in the opposite side. Now I am going to exchange 1-inch token and show you. First of all, select 1-inch token and next I am going to convert it into BUSD. Then put BUSD on the opposite side. Then click on approve 1-inch. A very few small quantity of gas fee will be deducted. You can see that the 1-inch token is get approved for swapping, and the second step is that click on the swap icon, then click confirm swap. Again a small quantity of gas fee will be deducted. The gas fee is deducted in the form of Smart Chain BNB. Now you can see the 1-inch token gets converted to BUSD token. For coins with enough liquidity, you can use a slippage of 0.5%. The next thing is how to add liquidity and get LP tokens. We can select two coins in the opposite side, supply equally, and click on supply button for adding liquidity pairs. Next, in the farming section, we can use this liquidity pairs to stake and earn cake tokens as reward. We can see that we can add liquidity to different tokens and get liquidity pair tokens, and these liquidity pair tokens can be staken for getting cake tokens. First of all, we should commit the LP tokens and click on confirm button and supply it for regular farming. Now we can see the pool section where we can stake our cake tokens in order to obtain newly pooled Binance Smart Chain token. I have already applied my cake tokens in the trade pool, and now I will show how to remove it. Just click maximum and click confirm button, and you can see a small gas fee will be deducted and the cake tokens will be released. Now you can come to the wallet and see the cake tokens has been returned to the wallet. Just refresh the wallet 1 or 2 times. It will be visible. Now you can also see the U-Trade token that is get rewarded as the farming product. Now we can go to the PancakeSwap pool site itself or again staking these cake tokens in order to get rewards in the form of another token. Next, I wish to stake in TalkCrypto coin pool. So I selected TalkCrypto coin pool. First, click on approval for TalkCrypto coin pool. Then click on the plus button. Select maximum. Click confirm button. Again, a small transaction fee will be charged. Now you can see that my cake tokens get into the TalkCrypto pool with a APR of 92.49%, which is very high percentage. You can see the TalkCrypto pool is slowly farming out the tokens. Now let me show you my profile of PancakeSwap. It's an active profile which already I have created with 1.5 cake tokens, and I had already participated in 3 IFOs and I had a point of 300. In order to participate in IFOs and all, you should have an active profile. Thank you and have a nice day.